VM खलीलुर रहमान चैनल में आपका खैर मकदम है। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। उर्दू और हिंदी वालों के लिए एक खुशखबरी। उर्दू है जिसका नाम एक उर्दू उत्सव है जो कि वायर द्वारा आयोजित किया जा रहा है। ये उत्सव अगस्त 1 और 2 को आयोजित होगा। इस उत्सव में उर्दू भाषा, इतिहास, अनुवाद और वर्तमान मुद्दों पर चर्चा की जाएगी, जैसे कि गाज़ा में इजरायली हिंसा और मीम संस्कृति। इसके साथ ही बच्चों के लिए कार्यक्रम, मुशायरा और कहानी सुनाने का सत्र भी होगा। उर्दू है जिसका नाम द वायर्स उर्दू फेस्टिवल ऑन August 1st and 2nd, New Delhi, as part of the series of events to celebrate 10 years of the wire. A 2-day Urdu festival is being held at Jawahar Bhavan, New Delhi on August 1st and 2nd. The festival features discussions across a range of issues, from the history of Urdu and translation to Israel's violence in Gaza and meme culture, as well as a performance, mushaira and storytelling for children. Stalls selling books, calligraphy and other merchandise will also be set up at the venue. You can also pick up some very special merchandise launched by the Wire in celebration of this 10-year journey. The festival opens at 4 p.m. on Friday, August 1, with a panel discussion on the history and legacy of Urdu, featuring renowned speakers Sayyidain Hamid, former Chancellor Maulana Azad National Urdu University, Hyderabad, Perki Mohan Adar, Father Tongue, Motherland, the birth of languages in South Asia, and Athar Farooqi, General Secretary, Anjuman Taraqi Urdu Hind, Fayyaz Ahmad Wajih, the author of the Wire Urdu, will be moderating the panel. Thank you for your listening. Thank you for your listening. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.